especially this lab is for electric vehicle assembly unit. So our students will be trained on electric vehicle design and assembly. And apart from their regular courses, we teach them skill courses and domain courses. Okay, our students are well trained on skill courses, especially our Centurion University is good for its skills. In our Centurion University, our students are trained on various skill courses apart from the regular courses. So this is electric vehicle design and assembly. So our students are well trained on electric vehicle design and assembly. Here in Centurion University, we manufacture 3 types of models of electric vehicles. The first one being electric e-rickshaw. It is basically a passenger type model. And this is second type. This is mainly called as the loader, mainly for the passenger goods. Okay, goods. And our vehicles are well approved by ICIT. You can see it is been approved by ICIT government of India. And let us see what our students say on our skill course.
AB electric vehicle which uses lead acid battery and capacity of and voltage of 48 volts, where this uses electricity to charge battery, where it is more useful when compared to normal vehicles like normal vehicles which uses petrol and diesel. So by this course we can learn how to assemble and design the electric vehicle
Design and assembly. And we have also seen one more model. This is a passenger vehicle. You can see also this is a loader type 2. Okay, and you can see that this is mainly for carrying the goods. And apart from this, we also have one more model called the buggy model. You can see, you can take that video of the buggy. Design and assembly. So here in our Centurion University, our students are trained on various skill courses apart from their regular courses. So electric vehicle assembly and their design of electric vehicle design and assembly is one of the skill courses our students are trained. So let us see what our students say. So please explain about
the after the whole parts of the assembly. These are the electric vehicles which we learn how to assemble in our university. So why are we using electric vehicle? Because it is the most important useful component in our daily life. It is charged by one component called charger, or in this we will use a battery which uses electricity.
Here is the control system of our electric vehicle. It controls the whole process of the electric vehicle.
Like charges, controller converter charger, and it runs with electricity and reduces the cost of fuels, fossil fuels like petrol, diesel, etc. And it runs with electricity, and it contains a gas battery which is of 12 volts. And it is totally normal vehicle. I did answer that.
So what is the advantage by taking this?
And some advantages of electric vehicle.
What are the advantages?
Main advantage is to reduce the fuel pollution is main hazard that
Pollution-free vehicle.
every vehicle
To control the pollution first of all. But what about the cost of the vehicle?
cost of the vehicle is also electric vehicle comparatively
It is affordable to every common man.